old wash and go. So this hair is about a week old, and I'm just gonna put it in a hot puff. Today is actually supposed to be my wash day, but I do not feel like washing my hair right now. So we're just going to rock this puff for about one more day. So yeah, probably tomorrow on Monday I'll wash it. So I'm going to be using the Argan Oil Eco Styler Gel to gel down my sides. This one is my favorite Eco Styler. I recently tried the gold and I did not like that at all. My hair did not work well with that one. I'm just using this bristle brush that I always use to brush down my sides. Y'all, and I use these to do my puffs with. This is actually like one of those headbands. I don't know, I'll insert a picture. I can't really think of what it's called, but like the cotton sweatbands, and I cut it in half. I'm going to just tie this silk scarf around. This is pretty long, so I'm just going to let this sit while I do my face. And you always want to moisturize your face before you apply your makeup. So I'm going to be using the Tatcha Water Cream Moisturizer. It's super bright, so I don't think you can see this, but I'll try to insert a picture of what this looks like. And I actually use this as a night and day moisturizer. So you always want to moisturize your neck as well. For my primer, I'm going to be using the Tarte Poreless primer. And I've actually been using this microdermabrasion recently by Dr. Brandt. I believe that's the name. And I think that has been helping some, but I don't know. I may just actually get a facial soon, just stop being cheap. But I have been using a powder foundation for a long time. So recently I have switched to a liquid foundation. And I actually really like it. This is the Too Faced Born This Way, the Jackie Aina collection. No, my setup is not the move either. Y'all don't even want to see how I got this set up over here. So I'm going to be using the 301 brush by, oh my god, I cannot think, but this is from Ulta. So I'm just gonna blend this all around. I feel like it starts off looking a little red, but I think that's gonna go away. For my eyebrows, I use Anastasia, is that how you say it? Anastasia Beverly Hills. I used to do my eyebrows before my foundation and was wondering why they were looking so like, still looking so thin. So I started doing them after my foundation. I used the Anastasia brush, the 7B brush. I'm going to use the MAC paint pot in the color Layin Low. I'm going to be using the Jacqueline Hill. Oh, y'all, I'm just going to stop trying to hold things up. This is what it looks like. I'm going to start with this color here. Y'all, she doesn't have these colors named on the palette, but so I'm gonna have to point to them and blend that in. It's just gonna be my base color. I think I'm gonna go with this color here. Oops, wait, where is it? This right here. I'm gonna do this yellow, you guys. Do this dark green, this right here. I'll try that one. So y'all, I'm gonna add a little bit more of this like orange or brown or whatever it is, color, whatever you want to call it. You know, I really like this eyeshadow. It's so pretty. You don't have to use a ton of it. back with this Too Faced translucent powder. Set all under my eyes. So y'all, I just added my lashes off camera because my battery just died. Contour just on the sides of my face. That's really the only contour that I actually do. So just go there and there. And I'm using my damp beauty blender to blend that in. So I'm going back in with this MAC powder foundation, and I'm just going to add a little bit of that like down on my chest area and just overall to my face. And I'm using the Anastasia Beverly Hills palette. I'm going to put some on my upper lip. And also the tip of my nose. And I'm just going to take some on my finger and put it down the bridge of my nose. And just going to blend this just a little bit. So let's see what this puff is looking like. Okay, it's laid. I barely can fit it in the frame. My hair is getting so big, y'all, so. But anyway, this is what the makeup looks like. So I hope you all really enjoyed this look. Let me know if y'all want me to do more get ready with me's. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe
if you want to.
But no, seriously, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share, leave any feedback that you have. And so yes, I will see you guys in the next video.